No, I've been here before last week. I did a short, but come on, this looks like a post office. I might even knock on his door. Come on, that's amazing. Look at that. Yeah, I did actually knock on the door of that post office. I just wanted to say, you know, at my other house, is this a real post office? Obviously, I know it's not, but you know, one has to wonder. They must get people, the odd person, you know, knocking on the door. You know, it's like houses with like an amazing amount of Christmas lights. Anyway, I did try, but there was no answer. So I did a short on that one a little while ago, well, last week actually, and I'm going to show you a short what I did last week, same time, with what I'm about to show you. Yeah, I've only got 34 views or so I thought I'd come back, seeing as I'm here again. Yeah. To be honest, a short was better because there was like 20-30 seagulls in that tree, but there's clearly not many, they're all in the water. But it's getting frisky. Yeah, it was just a quick video, everyone. I just thought grab an opportunity if I can get it. I was at work, well, I'm still at work. I've still got to drive back to the depot. I thought, what a nice little video to end the day off. Strange post office house and nice pretty lake. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe for anything random, planes, food, this, and who knows what I might think of. Alright, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching.